One of my favorite holidays during the lawn season is 4th of July, and one of the reasons for that is not just because I love my country and I love being patriotic about my country, but the other thing is that it's another holiday like Halloween where the neighbors are outside and it's another excuse to show off the lawn. So today we're gonna get ready for the 4th of July and mow some sweet stripes in the lawn, and I'll tell you how I'm strategizing the direction of my stripes to prepare for the time where all the neighbors come out and start lighting off fireworks and stuff and hanging out outside and all that. Here we go. So in case you didn't know, when you're striping your lawn, the direction that you mow, the stripes look the best when the sun is behind you, directly behind you. And so when the sun goes down here, my house faces west, so I'm going to be mowing towards my house from the street, and that will give me the most well-defined stripes and the most visible stripes when everyone starts coming out in the evening for 4th of July to get ready to light off fireworks and just kind of hang out and have fun. So with all that being said, it's time to mow. It's time to put some stripes out here and get ready to show off a little bit for 4th of July. And just like that, we got some nice big double wide stripes to show off with the stars and the stripes, of course, for 4th of July. Again, one of my favorite holidays during the lawn season. It's so much fun for me to come out here and do this and to celebrate the freedoms that we enjoy in this country. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to those who serve this country, those in the armed forces, those first responders like my neighbor right here across the street. Everybody comments on the cop car and all my videos and content. Big thank you to him and to all the other police officers, firefighters, EMTs, everybody that takes care of us and keeps us safe each and every day. You guys are heroes, and I thank you. That's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this one. Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. Enjoy your freedoms and don't take them for granted. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.